If you usually have difficulties in the forearms when doing back exercises, this is a good variant to work the back without experiencing problems in the forearms, or at least to mitigate them greatly. Set the pulley height selector about 2 or 3 hand spans higher in relation to the height of your shoulders. Grab the pulleys so they are crossed. The right hand grabs the left pulley, and the left hand grabs the right pulley. Move back until the moment you feel that the pulley starts to offer resistance. Separate your legs slightly more than the width of your hips. You have to find a position that is stable for you, so if you need to separate them more, then do so. Slightly bend your knees. Extend your back. And finally, open your elbows. To start the movement, stretch your arms forward. This way, you can work your back muscles to their maximum range. Then, retract your shoulders and extend your back, followed by elbows. When your shoulders reach mid-torso height, squeeze your scapulae together to complete the action. To get the most benefit from this type of grip, imagine that you have the pulleys anchored to your elbows and that your forearms do not exist. The main movement has to come from the elbows, shoulders and scapulae, not from the hand. The forearms should follow the line of force generated by the pulley. While it's not a huge problem to deviate a bit, you will involve additional muscles that you were probably not planning to exercise. When you bring your arms forward, you lose the extended back position and will be in a hunched position during the exercise. When you don't bend your knees as you extend your back backwards and you start to fatigue, the movement will not be maintained with the help of your knees and ankles. This will result in a more forced extension.